guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit tart. It's a sweet tart crust with a pastry cream filling and plenty of fruit on top. So let's get started. First we'll make the pastry cream because it needs time to chill. So in a medium saucepan add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. And whisk them together until they're combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the whole milk, heavy cream, and eggs, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add it into the saucepan with the sugar and cornstarch mixture and whisk them until they're well combined. Then place the saucepan over a medium-high heat and heat the mixture until it just starts to simmer, whisking it occasionally to prevent lumps. Then once it is simmering, turn the heat down to medium, then whisk it constantly until it boils, and then keep it boiling over the heat for another 2 minutes, again whisking it constantly. Then after 2 minutes, remove it from the heat, then add in the vanilla extract and butter, and mix them in until they're combined and the butter has melted into the mixture. Then pour the pastry cream into a small bowl and wrap it in plastic wrap, and make sure the plastic wrap is touching the surface of the pastry cream so it doesn't form a skin on top. And place it into the fridge for at least 2 hours until it's well chilled. Then to make the sweet tart crust, in a medium bowl add in the flour, powdered sugar, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then cut the butter into small pieces and add it into the flour mixture, and rub the butter into the flour mixture until fine crumbs form. Try and make it as fine as possible. Then add in the egg yolk and ice cold water and mix them together until they're mostly combined. And if it's too dry, add in another tablespoon of water and continue mixing it. And then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. Then grease a pie pan really well with non-stick cooking spray. You can use a tart pan if you have one, and keep it aside for now. Then lightly flour your work surface and place the dough on top, and add a little flour to the top of the dough and roll it out until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Then roll up the dough onto the rolling pin and unroll it into the pan. And gently press it in so it fits the pan. Then trim off the excess from around the edges and place it into the freezer for 15 minutes until it's well chilled. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then after 15 minutes, remove the tart crust from the freezer. Then use a fork to poke a bunch of holes into the crust. This helps to make sure you don't get any air bubbles. Then wrap the inside with aluminum foil add uncooked beans or rice into the pan. This helps weigh it down so it doesn't puff up in the oven. Then bake it in the oven for 12 minutes. Then after 12 minutes, remove it from the oven. Turn the oven temperature down to 350. Then remove the beans and the aluminum foil. Then return the tart crust to the oven and bake it for another 12 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then once it's cooled completely, carefully remove it from the pan and place it onto your serving plates. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Then pour the pastry cream into the tart crust and spread it out until it's even. Then just top it with plenty of fruit. I'm using strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, pineapple, grapes, and kiwi, but you can use any fruit you like. And that's how to make a fruit tart. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.